how is this timer used in industry. And for today I will focus to do the connection for on delay and off delay. So basically timer is for to set a delay, whether it is an on delay or off delay. So I will do the connection and then hope this demonstration can show you what is it mean by on delay and off delay. Alright, so for on delay, the power coming out from this normally open timer connected to the lamp. Okay, output lamp number 3. So what will happen is when I press this power supply, turn this power supply on, the relay will start counting. Now I set it for 4 seconds, maybe. Okay, 4 seconds. Then after 4 seconds, lamp number 3, L3, will turn on. So this condition we call it on delay, because when we turn on the power supply, it have a delay time, take about 4 seconds, then the light will turn on. Okay, so now in the count of 3, I will turn on this supply and we will look at the timer. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the timer, the power is blinking. Then after 4 seconds, the light is on. Okay, so I do again. Okay, you can look at the light from the timer. I will do the counting also, and look at the light. Okay, I off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then the light is on after more or less 4 seconds. Okay, that is what we call on delay. Okay, on delay happen, the light is turning on after a delay of time. Okay, after 4 seconds, you can set the time by turning this knob clockwise or anti-clockwise. That is on delay. Right? So how about off delay? So off delay, I have this normally closed connection. So what we're gonna do is just pull this normally open connection terminal out, and then I use the normally closed, okay, output from the timer. So for off delay, what will happen is when I turn on the power, the light will turn on for 4 seconds. The countdown 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, the light will turn off. So that is off delay. Means we give time, a delay time for it to turn off. Right? So in the count of 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay. See, the light is on After 4 seconds, it will off. So that is what we call off delay. Alright. So hope this video will highlight you about what is the difference between on delay and off delay. So we manipulate the usage of normally close and normally open from the timer output. Okay, so now I do this connection just to show you where we can use this on delay and off delay, what we can do with it. Okay, so I have two timer. I do the connection together, it work together, so that it will make this light number 1 blinking on and off. Keep on and off, just like a blinking light. Alright, so it will on for about, I set it to 1 second. 1 second, it will off for 1 second. Okay, on 1 second, off 1 second. This is kind of advanced, just it's not advanced, but we can call it intermediate connection. Okay, I manipulate the timer to produce this blinking light. Okay, so I turn it on. 1, 2, 3. See, the light is on for about 1 second, off for 1 second, automatically. Okay, so the first timer do the off delay, the second timer do the on delay. Okay, off delay, on delay, off delay, on delay, off delay, on delay. So this thing will keep on going like this until I press the off switch. Okay, when I turn on the switch, it will start all over again, and we can change the output. Okay, I change the output. I use buzzer. Okay, the buzzer will on for about 1 second and off for 1 second. You can make it slower or faster. Okay, I want to make it a little bit faster. Then it sound like familiar, alarm. Okay, so you can make it even slower, one side slower. Okay, 2 seconds. Alright, on 2 seconds, off 2 seconds. You can adjust that. On longer, off shorter. Okay, so you can play with the timing. So that is one of the example on how this on and off delay we can use in anything you want to do, whether it is in industry or at home.